For over a decade, the living room has been the silent battlefield for the world's biggest tech giants. Yet one device has consistently remained the gold standard for those who refuse to compromise on quality. Today, we aren't just looking at a mere incremental update. We are witnessing the birth of a device that redefines what a streaming box can actually be. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is no longer just a portal for your favorite movies. It has evolved into a sophisticated command center for the modern digital home, powered by silicon so advanced it rivals most high-end laptops. The rumors have been swirling for months, and the leaked benchmarks are finally in, suggesting that Apple is about to pull the rug out from under the competition once again. This isn't just about 4K resolution anymore. It's about a fundamental shift in how we interact with media, gaming, and artificial intelligence in our most personal spaces. When you first unbox the new 2026 model, the subtle refinements in industrial design immediately signal that something has changed deep within the chassis. While it retains that iconic, sleek footprint, the cooling architecture has been completely overhauled to accommodate the raw power of the A18 Pro-derived chipset. This move is calculated. Apple is preparing to turn the Apple TV into a legitimate gaming powerhouse that bridges the gap between casual mobile play and console-level immersion. We are talking about hardware-accelerated ray tracing in a device that fits in the palm of your hand, allowing for lighting and shadows so realistic that the line between cinema and gameplay begins to blur. For the audience in the United States and premium global markets, this represents a massive value proposition. Why buy a dedicated console when your streaming box can handle AAA titles with breathtaking fluidity? But the real magic lies in the integration of Apple Intelligence, which has been woven into the very fabric of tvOS. Imagine a world where your television knows exactly what you want to watch before you even pick up the remote, not based on crude algorithms, but on a deep understanding of your habits and preferences across all your devices. The new Siri, powered by on-device large language models, finally fulfills the promise of a true digital assistant. You can ask complex, multi-layered questions like, "Find me that thriller I started last week that has the actor from that detective show," and it responds instantly with the exact timestamp. It's this level of frictionless interaction that keeps users locked into the ecosystem, making every other smart TV interface feel archaic and sluggish by comparison. Let's talk about the visual leap. While 4K is in the name, the 2026 iteration introduces advanced AI-driven upscaling that breathes new life into older content. Every pixel is analyzed in real time, textures are sharpened, and noise is removed without that artificial soap opera effect that plagues cheaper hardware. When paired with the latest OLED and micro-LED displays hitting the market, the HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision performance is nothing short of transformative. The highlights are brighter, the blacks are deeper, and the color volume is wider than anything we've seen in the home consumer space. This is the device that professional colorists and cinephiles have been waiting for, a bit-perfect playback machine that respects the creator's original vision while pushing the limits of modern panel technology. Connectivity has also seen a monumental upgrade with the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and a dedicated thread border router that is more powerful than ever. In a home filled with dozens of smart devices, the Apple TV 4K 2026 acts as the steady heartbeat of the network, ensuring that your smart lights, security cameras, and thermostats respond with zero latency. The transition to a Matter-first world is fully realized here, making this the most competent smart home hub on the planet. For the power user, the addition of a high-speed Ethernet port remains a staple, ensuring that high bitrate 4K, Remux files, or cloud gaming sessions never suffer from a single dropped frame. It is this obsession with reliability that separates Apple from the sea of affordable sticks and dongles that dominate the lower end of the market. Perhaps the most talked about leak involves the new Siri Remote. For years, the remote was a point of contention, but the 2026 version introduces a Find My speaker that is actually audible from under a couch cushion, alongside haptic feedback that makes navigating menus feel tactile and responsive. There are whispers of a small touch-sensitive area that allows for gesture-based volume control and scrubbing, making the user experience feel more like an extension of your hand than a plastic tool. It's these small, thoughtful iterations that justify the premium price tag. Apple isn't just selling you hardware. They're selling you the luxury of a system that works perfectly every single time you sit down to relax.